SIPS 2022 will be having a symposium about the science of intelligent and sustainable advanced materials, which is dedicated to the lifetime achievements of Professor Uichiro Mizutani, who is from Nagoya Industrial Science Research Institute in Japan. Professor Uichiro Mizutani will be talking about the theoretical Hume-Rothery electron concentration rule in designing new functional materials. Professor Jean-Marie Dubois will speak about the E and A ratio and how it helps understanding some applied properties of CMAs. Dr. Ryoji Asahi will talk about alloy designs, based on first principles calculations from deductive to inductive approach. Dr. Tsunehiro Takeuchi will look at huge enhancement of thermoelectric dimensionless figure of merit, in a silver-copper compound, and their electric power generation. Dr. Yuichi Nishino will discuss pseudo-gap engineering of non-magnetic, thermoelectric Hissler compounds. Dr. Tomoyuki Homa will discuss their interpretation of temperature dependence of thermoelectric properties in iron sulfide by first principle calculations. Dr. Emily Gaudry will speak about electronic structures of complex phases. Dr. Vincent Fournet will discuss quasicrystals in 2 dimensions, from metals to molecules and oxides. Dr. Yuzuru Miyazaki will talk about higher manganese silicides, their incommensurability and thermoelectric properties. Dr. Hidetoshi Miyazaki will talk about the improvement of thermoelectric conversion properties by controlling defects in half-Hissler, nickel, zirconium, and tin compounds. Dr. Norihiko Okamoto will look at anisotropic transport properties in an iron aluminide as a potential thermoelectric material. Dr. Maria Parfanova will discuss the verification of TXY diagrams for the silver-copper-nickel-gold-tin system. Dr. Shigeru Hori will speak about recent progress in triaxial magnetic alignment techniques. Dr. Tsuyoshi Takami will look at designing fluoride ion conduction into layered materials. Dr. Ajiabe will speak about complex LPSO-type magnesium alloys, as a unique cluster-induced stabilization. Dr. Hiroshi Sakurai will talk about characterization of battery materials by X-ray Compton scattering. Dr. Jürgen Eckert will speak about structure dynamics relationships in metallic glasses. Dr. Dominic Legut will take a look at atomic vibrations and trimaran order of the Verwi transition. Dr. Michihiro Oda will talk about materials development, module fabrication, and module evaluation for high-temperature thermoelectric power generation. Be sure to attend, as this will be a special time to discuss advanced materials in science and technology. You will also be able to meet these various experts, who are leading the scientific community to new directions.